Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to see Snapchat dark mode. So first of all, you need to open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Once the Snapchat application is open, look for the settings section. Scroll down within settings until you find an option labeled dark mode. If you don't see this option, don't worry, we'll enable it in the next steps. Now, exit the Snapchat application and go to your mobile device's settings. Scroll down within your device settings and tap on Display and Brightness. Within the Display and Brightness settings, look for an option that says Dark and select it. This will turn on dark mode for your entire device. Go back to your home screen and reopen the Snapchat application. Take a look at your Snapchat screen. You should notice that the entire Snapchat application has now adopted the dark mode. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.